In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership in Lovable. Transferring ownership hands full control of a project to someone else, so it's perfect when you're handing off a build, changing teams, or wrapping up a client engagement. Before you start, make sure you're signed in and that the person you want to transfer to is already a member of your workspace. If you don't see their name later, it usually means they're not in the workspace yet or don't have the right access. Also note that only users with sufficient permissions can transfer ownership. If you don't see the option, check with your current workspace admin or owner. Let's begin. Open Lovable and head to your dashboard. On the left sidebar, go to All Projects. This view shows every project you have access to, which makes it easy to find the exact one you want to hand off. Scan the list and select the project whose ownership you want to transfer. If you manage a lot of projects, use search or sort tools to locate it quickly. Next, look for the three-dot menu associated with that project. This is the context menu that reveals additional options. Click it, then choose Settings. You'll land on the project's settings page where you can adjust key controls for that specific project. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Transfer Ownership. This is where you initiate the handoff. Take a moment here to confirm you're in the correct project because ownership transfers affect who has ultimate control, including settings, permissions, and potentially billing, depending on your workspace configuration. Click Transfer to start. A member picker will appear. You can either scroll through the list of workspace members or use the search field to find the person quickly by name. Selecting from the list ensures you're transferring to someone who already has access to the workspace, which is required. If nothing comes up when you search, double-check spelling or verify that the person has been added to the workspace with the appropriate role. Once you choose the right member, Lovable will handle the change and update the project to reflect the new owner. The previous owner remains a collaborator if they still have a role on the project, and existing permissions for other teammates typically stay intact unless you change them later. That's the entire process. Open Lovable, go to All Projects, pick your project, open the three-dot menu, head into Settings, locate Transfer Ownership, click Transfer, then select or search for the correct workspace member. With that, your project is in the right hands and ready for the next phase.